my gosh. This is awful. What is going on?
In today's vlog, a storm ruins part of our house. But before we get started, click that button and subscribe to our channel.
We're gonna lose all of our cool toys! Oh my goodness! This is crazy out here! Jordyn, get it! Hurry! All of a sudden, this huge storm just came, and all of our pool toys on the trampoline are flying everywhere. Jordyn, put them inside there. And let's zip it up, okay? Oh my goodness, we're losing shingles off of our roof. Our shingles are like flapping on top of our roof. Those are our shingles moving around like crazy up there. Oh my goodness. Jordyn! Just put it right there. Oh my gosh. This is awful. What is going on? It was like 100 degrees outside and so sunny, and now it's like crazy. Oh my gosh, that was the weirdest thing. It just stopped.
And then
It just stopped.
And then it comes back.
The trees are done blowing. That was crazy.
Not really.
It just ended.
Not really.
Our shingles aren't blowing anywhere. That was the weirdest like micro burst. It just stopped. We have pool toys that went flying down the street in the front yard. My sister's going to get them. Things were just flying everywhere. Where was it?
All the way down the street.
All right, let's put them in here. That was crazy, Jordyn. We almost got blown away. Okay, it's coming back. Everything has kind of died down. It's just trickling a little bit, but people's garbage cans are all knocked over down the street. Oh man, that's crazy. There's things that are tipped over down both sides of our street. Oh, this is weird. The weather here is crazy, guys. So crazy. And it wasn't that long ago that we had a tornado here, and it did a lot of damage to our roof. We're actually getting our roof replaced in the next few days because of that original tornado. We lost so many shingles, and now they're all loose, and this wind gust did not help it. I think we're gonna lose our trampoline. It's back. Oh, it's really raining. Get back inside. All I can do is sit here and watch it blow away.
Down sometime, Dad.
I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna destroy all of your guys' houses.
Don't!
It's my favorite part of this game.
Oh, Dad, then you can't come.
How do I get dynamite?
Daddy, don't! Daddy, don't! Then I'm not letting you come over.
Alright, I won't blow it up. Yet.
This is what you do when the weather's stormy outside. You play Minecraft and blow up things.
Don't, Dad!
The girls have decided to take a bath.
The bubbles exploded. It exploded.
The kids are super dirty after the 4th of July festivities, so they're taking a bath. The older ones took a shower, and then we have a game that we are gonna play as a family. And guys, the weather is still so crazy. We're just hanging out inside because it's windy, it's sunnier, it's not as crazy as it was, but there are storm clouds flying everywhere. It's raining on and off, so we are gonna have some activities that we're gonna be doing indoors today.
I picked you up.
I'm so humid now.
What? I do not know how to swim. like you should know how. Get it!
All right, so the renovations in our house that we have been working on for a very long time. Super long time, are almost done. And now we are on the hunt for some light fixtures. We need to find a few things for the basement and one kitchen light for upstairs. And then our renovations will almost be over. The kids were supposed to be watching Parker for just a minute while we looked at lights, and this is where I found her.
Parker, come on.
Parker, not good. Here, hold this.
Come on. Mommy's got you.
You were supposed to watch her.
I told Jordyn and she said she wanted to.
You are not a good babysitter.
You're fired.
Say, you're fired. Why'd you climb up on that ladder? That's dangerous. You're gonna stay with mommy and daddy now, okay?
So we're checking her out after her little ladder climb and discovered she is a bloody mess. Parker, what happened?
I'm bleeding.
You're bleeding?
Wait, she's bleeding where?
She climbed up that ladder and cut herself because she's too little to climb that ladder.
Wait, let me see where.
You're gonna stay with mommy and daddy.
Let me see it.
We need to watch her a little better probably.
Let me see it. Where was it? I'm bleeding.
All right, so we have a cart full of lights that we need. These are all the lights that we need to finish all the stuff in our house. It's a whole cart full. The kids are getting rambunctious. They're kind of out of control. All right, so we barely survived Lowe's and picking out lights and carpet. These kids were crazy, insane, but at least they were in a good mood. Who wants to go inside and play a game? Me! A brand new game. We were given a brand new game, so we're excited to go play it. Or at least I am. Is anyone else excited?
Yeah. I don't know what game it is, but yeah.
All right, so the game that we are going to play is Boom Blast Stix. Woo! And we're gonna eat some gummy bears.
Yeah.
We'll start with Parker and Annie. Pick a gummy bear and pass it down. So for this game, we're each gonna take a turn locking these little triangular sticks in place. And then we are going to place them here and keep stacking them. And then the person that places the sticks and have them all break loses. Any gummy bears? Who's ready to play? Sometimes when the weather's not so good outside, you play awesome games. It says that the youngest player goes first. So it's Parker! Hey Parker, pick a piece.
Okay, so you snap it. You ready? Now put it on there. Oh! So like that. Hold that. And now soft. Yeah!
All right, so we're gonna go youngest to oldest. So Jordyn, it's your turn.
Jordyn.
What if it pops up?
Oh!
Payton.
Don't bump it. Oh!
She won't do it, Papa.
Hold on. No fear. She just jumped up and ran.
Okay, Steven.
I'm scared that Steven's gonna lose.
Mom's turn.
My turn.
Wait, that's not it.
Yeah. Ready?
I'm scared. I'm scared. Dad's gonna lose.
Dad's turn.
I am not gonna lose.
It's nerve-wracking.
I'm really too close to this.
It's gonna blow up right in your face.
I know, I'm scared. Dad's even like, saw.
Don't go over there. Hey, Jordyn, you're
It's
gonna go
crazy.
first. Do it, Jordyn. Payton, it's your turn.
You can do it, Payton can. I thought it was gonna pop.
I was like,
Taylor's gonna pop one. Taylor's gonna pop one. It's gonna be a big pop. Oh!
no.
Hey, Steven.
Ooh.
Okay, it's my turn.
very little.
I bet it's gonna snap, Mommy.
Mom's in trouble here.
Big trouble.
Dad is. Dad!
No!
Dad is in trouble.
That is in big trouble.
Oh my gosh. Why?
Yes! It's Parker's turn.
Goodbye, Parker.
Bye, Parker.
Jordyn, your turn.
Let's go.
Here, you want one?
Let's get a pop.
Oh my goodness.
Luckily.
He's out!
Good job, babe. I won! Hi, Jess. Hi, Lydia. Hi, Nolia.
Check out Andrew21's YouTube channel. Check out O-Dogs too. Our question for the day is, has your house ever been damaged by a storm? Subscribe to our channel.
Comment below. Big thumbs up. And we'll see you guys